Hey everyone, have you ever looked at an old t-shirt and thought, I wish I could turn this into something cute? Well, stick around because today I'm showing you how to transform old t-shirt into this cute, adorable, fancy crop top. So all you need to do is just stay tuned because this is a beginner's friendly tutorial. So the first thing whenever you're doing any kind of t-shirt transformation is to decide what you want to do. So I just want to make something that will remove this front design. So that was the whole idea of this style I picked, which is a milkmaid top. So I'm just going to use this top to cut out and trace out the shape and the length of this top. That's why it's a beginner's friendly. Now that the body's pattern is cut out, I'm just going to remove the shoulder so that I can work on the front and the back separately. Next, I'm going to fold the front part and then work on this front part. So what I'm just going to do here is just put in a measurement that will remove this front design. So the length is going to be 13 inch and then the width is 5 inch. This depends on how wide you want the neckline to be. And then I'm just going to cut out the depth, which is also on the same line, 7 inch. That's what I'm marking out here. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly cut out the neckline of the back part. So now I'm going to use this fabric I removed from the down part to create the gather at the front part. So the gather should be twice as much as what was removed. So here I'm creating the strap for the front part. So I'm just going to cut out 2 of these and stretch it until it gives a good definition. You don't need to sew it. Stretching it will actually give it a good definition. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to join this front and together and leave at least 2 inch in the opening. So from the opening at that front part, that's where I'm going to put in this strap, which is already created with this top. So I'm not creating any new channel. It's just the down part of this shirt that I'm using for this top part, which is so amazing. That's the beauty of upcycling things, any kind of things. So after inserting the strap, I'm just going to gather the down part with a running stitch and then gather it till it gets to the size of the part I removed, because I'm putting this part back there. And then I'm just going to evenly distribute the gather so that it's equal on both sides. So now I'm just nudging the middle of where I'm going to start putting the gather. This will make it to evenly distribute all around. So I'm just going to pin it down and then sew from the middle point to the upper part. So this is it after sewing all the parts together. So the front part is absolutely ready, so you don't really need to do anything else. The only thing you need to do now is to join the front and the back part. So for the sleeve, I'm just going to put back the sleeve that I removed after removing this excess hanging around, and then of course I'm just going to open it and then sew it to the armhole. So for even distribution, I usually just start from the middle point of the sleeve and then sew it from the middle point of the armhole to the other side. So after cutting out the excess, I'm just going to sew it down like this for both sides. And this is it, a t-shirt to crop top tutorial. So this shirt now has a new life. What do you guys think? Do you think something you can recreate? And let me know in the comment down below, what's your favorite t-shirt arc? I would like to know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, from this video, I'm sure you guys know how much I love how this turned out. Like, I'm so amazed. I love it so much. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye for now.